What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I have a special video for you guys. It's going to be another unboxing video, but this time it is going to be about the floor mats. So I did order the all-season floor mats. However, when you do buy any Tesla model, it does come standard with these carpeted floor mats. However, these won't really hold up well in the winter time. So the best thing to do is obviously get floor mats. That way the interior doesn't get too dirty. I know for these, I have been using these for a week now. And they held up pretty well, but it's definitely time for some floor mats. So the cost of these were $260 Canadian, when with tax and everything it came to exactly $300. Is it worth it? We're gonna find out, but in the meantime, this is definitely something needed for Canadian winters. So let's get right into it and unbox this thing. Okay, let's open this up. So there's no really packaging, it's just inside this white box. And this is what they look like. I'll just put this one to the side. I believe this is the passenger side, I'm not sure. And then lift this one up. So there should be 3 pieces. So this is probably this is the driver's side. And then over here is the rear seats. The back row. So I'll put this box to the side. The box, there's no Tesla packaging. All you do is just receive it in this white box that it comes with. When it's in the box, they kind of have to fold it. So over time, this does kind of have to like mold itself out into the back of your seats. Because right now, if you look at it, it's just you know, on its own. It's like bent a little bit too. But if you flip it over, you can see the big difference in terms of the grip. So on the standard one, on the floor mats that are carpeted, you can see the difference. These are more of like a Velcro type where they stick onto the interior, whereas these ones are more rugged and I believe adheres onto the actual carpet. So this is the rear. Put that one aside, and then looking at the driver's side, there's only this one little pamphlet here, brochure, telling you, you know, how to install them, and it tells you certain directions and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like, all weather interior liners. So I believe in this photo there is no carpet, it is just on top of the actual lining of the floor, because my question was whether or not it would go on top of the actual carpeted one, or if it would just go on its own. So I'm gonna find that out right now. Put this little paper here. I do not know what this is. Floor mat safety. Yes, okay, so this is just some floor mat safety information in many different languages. So put that aside. So this is the driver's side. Right. So first impressions, the moldings do have to kind of take place of the interior over time, because as of right now, they are kind of all over the place. Especially the rear seats, they're kind of bent because in the packaging, they're all folded up. But you do have that nice embroidered Tesla logo there. Not too bad. If you flip it over, again, you can see there is a little bit of Velcro adhesive on the sides there. It says WeatherTech floor liner in-house from Tesla. And then if we look at the passenger side, so again, with all Tesla floor mats, these are 100% recyclable, no cadmium, no lead, no PVC. These are all thermoplastic made, so they're all laser cut to the proportions of the interior. A nice Tesla logo there. And then you do have the vertical lines that run along here. So if there was to be snow, mud, or anything like that, the debris can just fall right down and have a nice support there as well. Every premium Tesla or partial premium interiors come with the carpeted interior. As you guys can see, this is what sticks onto the floor line, and it gives you that sort of little bit of protection that you would need. But again, better to have a floor mat compared to a carpeted one. This would obviously keep it nice and clean all year round. So yeah. You do have Velcros here to keep it in place. So another thing I noticed was the walls aren't really high enough compared to the passenger side. I know when sometimes when you drive, your foot goes on the gas and the brake, and sometimes your foot may rub against the side carpet there. So it would be good to have a higher wall here to prevent, salt or mud go on that carpet there. So that is something to be noted for. However, overall on the sides here that run along, they are nice and high. Great protection all year round. For the rear seats, it is all one piece. So you do have a Tesla logo on the side there with vertical lines running all the way around to the back. Again, same design on the backs as well. However, on the rear seats, there is no Velcro that was found on the driver and passenger side. So as you guys can see, there's some sort of Velcro material to latch onto the carpet. The whole panel does not have any Velcro bits, so it just kind of has to like mold into it. I'll show you guys what these look like, and I will put them on top of the carpet as well as off the carpet to see whether or not it fits perfectly. Driver side one, if we come along here. I know the inside's a bit dark, but... Okay, so putting the driver side one, you guys can see right away, these side moldings do have to kind of take their place, since this was kind of folded up inside the packaging. So right now I just put it on top of the actual flooring, so it's not over the carpet. But so if I bring it in here, so this one just automatically sticks on to the floor. Let's see if it fits. Okay, so putting the floor mats on top of the carpet floor mats leaves no room for the actual all-season floor mats to kind of stick in place, because as you guys can see, there is a very open bits all the way around, so this doesn't really look good. So yeah, you definitely need to take off the actual carpeted floor mats for a better seal. On the back, it does kind of curve here a little bit. I'm not sure why, but if you do move your seat forward, it does get out of your way. So you can hardly notice it once the seat's moved up a little bit. But however, this will take some time to get to get molded in place. However, there is some sort of spaces in between here, so things could kind of go inside there. For the top parts, they are nicely molded in, especially along the walls here. There's no spaces in between them. Except for the back parts, like I said, it does curve a little bit. But yeah, but I mean, again, it is floor mats. Their main purpose is to protect and, keep clean of the carpet below, and, just give you some sort of peace of mind while driving. I wish this side panel here, like I mentioned, was a little bit raised up, giving you extra coverage on the side there. But overall, it looks nice and clean. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Tesla floor mats. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe and turn your bell notifications on so you don't miss out on a new video. And until next time, peace.